You already broke that stuff. Please put your arm back, Fred. Stop, you're gonna break your more, buddy. Someone broke the screen. No idea who that could be. Just glad I noticed all the stuff that he threw out there. Aw, that's so sweet. Thanks for the kisses, buddy. Aw, another kiss. Thank you. Yep, it's all done now. Was that loud? Yeah, it's very windy. What do you see, more birdies? Oh, a squirrel. That's what you're pointing at. I see. Okay, I think it's all done now, bud. You're okay. Aw, you spoil me with your kisses. Aw, another one. You're too sweet. Thanks, bud. I love you too. Mwah. Wow, just endless kisses today.